McLaren!
McLaren? McLaren? McLaren?
McLaren! Contract's still here. Why would she leave if she was so focused on it? You don't think she would have used the super shrink ray, do you?
The what blob?
This thing!
I'm on the Barnabeast! Come on, people, I know I have a tiny voice, but someone has to pick up my call!
Don't worry, we'll have you all muddy again in no time.
If McLaren shrunk herself and then was on top of the contract, and then Sid touched the caddy. Oh, McLaren must be stuck on Sid.
Hello? Oh, is that nobody with no voice that keeps calling me?
Wait. Volume up, Nova tantrum level.
Help! I'm on the Barnabeast and I'm about to be drowned in mud!
And then Sid patted the Barnabeast. That's where McLaren is. I was basically right. Timing, it's all in the comedy. Let's go!
Drown that mud! What's that? McLaren!
Oh, I think he likes you like that, McLaren.
The concert's in 5 minutes. I'm not doing the concert.
Oh, yeah. She learned the error of her ways while you were shrunk.
Oh, guys. But if you don't do the concert, the Crazy Rich Allens will get everything, including the Jefferson. I don't care. We can get another spaceship. I can design more clothes, make more music. The Barnet Beasts only have one Barnet Moon.
Wow. It was a big lesson this week.